Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the POCO F3 aka Xiaomi 11X and Redmi K40 mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover around the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then apply the heat on the camera lens glass. For this, we are using a heat gun, and then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place a new camera lens with adhesive. Next, if needed, can take out the lens with the frame. First, apply heat on the lens area from the rear side of the back cover. Next, slightly apply pressure from the front side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, secure the new camera lens with the frame in the back cover by adding adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.